All right, ladies and gentlemen, got a little surprise for you today. Looks like Christmas came a little bit early. We got a new toy. I love toys. I love tech. Let's see what this is all about. My name's Kevin. I'm a solo driver for CRETE, and you're back on the joy of trucking. So hit that subscribe button. I want to tell you a story. We like Garmin. I got my Dezl OTR 800 is my prime navigation tool. Really gets me around. I like it a lot. Then we're trying out this DEZLCAM OTR 710, which is another navigation tool that comes with a forward-facing camera. We're coming up with a review on that one too. And now Garmin has come out with this new headset, brand new thing. I've seen it in a couple of stores already, like at the Loves and stuff like that. So they've already got it out. But they sent us one to try out and do a review on. So I want to tell you about it. This is the Dezl Headset 200 from Garmin. It will sync with your phone, so you can do your phone calls, and it'll also sync with your navigation device, so you can give that commands, and it can even give you the directions over the headset. Something funny about this, I see like there's an extra ear muff on here, so I guess it's to keep your head warm in the winter. When it's really cold out, you'll have both ears covered, you won't get frostbite. In addition to that, this is also a speaker, just like the other one that's fixed on there. So, you know, you got the microphone there, you're making phone calls and stuff like that. Don't put this other one on while you're driving, though. That's kind of a safety issue. You still want to hear what's going on out there on the road. But when you put this on, you got yourself stereo headphones. So if you're listening to a movie or maybe watching your favorite YouTube channel, you might get some real good sound out of this thing. So let's open the box up and see what's inside. Here we got this lovely box. All right, what do we got here? Looks like we got the headset. Goes on your head. You got the swingy microphone. Got a nice big earpiece here. Now what's this? Looks like we got an extra earpiece. That's interesting. Let's see what's up. What else we got here? Oh, cool. That looks like a special mounting bracket. So we can hang the headset in it, and we can set this extra earpiece in it too. Well, I gotta find a place to set that. Oh, that's good. Instead of having it falling all over the dashboard all day. And it looks like charging cord and an ear jack, head jack phone thing. All right. Instruction book. Have to look at that later. Okay. All right. So here's what you get inside. You got your power button here, a little LED lights, a place to plug it in and charge it. There's a port opening so you can connect it to devices like your Sony Walkman, right? Or maybe your iPod or MP3 player. You got your Bluetooth button there so you can sync it with your devices. And noise reduction. Wow, automatic noise reduction. I'm gonna have to try that, see what that's about. Up on here we got the volume button and your magic Garmin button. Big mystery there. I'm going to have to read those instructions, see what that does. It looks like it's very adjustable. Sometimes I get a swelled head, so I need to open this thing up a little bit. That ear muff is bigger than the one I'm used to on my other headset, but it looks real comfortable, quite cushy. And speaking of which, look at this. Look at this cushion here on the headband. Now, I notice sometimes when I'm not wearing a hat, I put that headset on. After a while, it starts to actually make a groove in my skull, you know, like it's yeah, soft in the head, you know, that happens. But this one here looks real cushy, and it doesn't have any ribs or anything inside it. So I'm thinking that might be real comfortable too. And you got a big pad on this side, because after a while you start to feel a little pressure there too. So this thing is well padded out, not too heavy. Big earpiece, which means there's probably a very nice speaker in there, and the other one matches. So we're going to have to see we're gonna have to see how we like it. So watch for a review coming up on the Dezl Headset 200. Can't wait to try it out, and watch for it in stores near you. Yeah, check this out. Here's the extra earpiece. It looks like it just plugs right in here. All right, now we got stereo. That'd be good for listening to movies or watching YouTube videos. My favorite YouTube star. That's it. We just unboxed the Dezl Headset 200. We'll let you know how it works out. I got to charge it up, plug it in, turn it on, and we'll see what happens then. All right, thanks for checking this out with me. Again, I'm Kevin. I'm a solo driver for CRETE. This is the joy of trucking. Feels like they're finally started loading me up there. That's good. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget your comments down below. Maybe you already got one of these and you want to tell me what you think of it, and maybe give me some pointers on how to use it, just in case I don't read the instructions. Hit that subscribe button, tickle the notification bell. We'll see you down the road. Bye for now.